iPirates ibuyele ekudlaleni kwayo lokho esikwaziyo the normal football eOrlando Pirates hayi lama games lawa abasinike wona the last 2 matches iPirates iyenze lokho esikuzele la yeah sizele vele 3 points 3 goals clean sheet into abasinike yona sifuna ukusho ukuthi nokucoach wethu ukuthi akayeke lento yakhe yokuthi ufuna ukudliwa 2 games before abuyela to the normal Orlando Pirates lento lena I mean iPirates yamnikeza iplatform ukuthi ahamba eSpain wahamba waya eSpain makabuya wa change the formation sadliwa 2 matches mase City thina abalandeli sikhuluma na City hayibo asiPirates lesiyaziyo waqala wawina again manje before the derby 2 matches waqala wafuna kusibuyisela back to yabona abalandeli mase sikwatile size la kodwa mesazi ukuthi nasemlandweni kukhona ukuthi sadliwa a game before derby Kaizer Chiefs Basop yeah so sicela kumbonga ke ukuthi ubuyisele the Pirates that we know and sicela ukuthi aqhubeke afake the Pirates that we know no ngifuna ukuthi understand lento engisho uma ngithi the Pirates no I'm not undermining any player Orlando Pirates every player is special but kukhona that winning team for certain matches yabo yes and then namhlanje ubuyisele that team of which manje asekho isikhathi sokudlala ipikipiki ithi ngibone yini ezongilungela we are chasing the league we are chasing a team that score goals yabona namhlanje we scored goals and we didn't concede it's a very good one so you're the best we can take from today
Putam there was another thing man of the match today uyibone ucabanga ukuthi ubani today
man of the match it goes to the fans of Orlando Pirates fans of the Orlando Pirates they played that extra role yokuthi bakhuthaze ama players bakhuthaze ucoach bakhuthaze ukuthi we go forward whether it's raining come rain come sunshine we are taking the 3 points we are taking the league we are going for this league
Thank you ngiyabonga Putwami
Thank you
Chairman